Diba?
Paano?
Nakaganto.
Or top neck.
Or top neck position.
Tribal position.
Ganyan.
Kaya pag sa mga basketball player, pag pagod ka rin ako.
Welcome to Camp 6.
Yes.
Heart rate?
300.
20 na lang. Wala nga nga. Hey guys, we are at the peak of Mount Batulao. So cold in here. Up here.
Ano kaya nasa nito pag 1
Kaya po nagbablog ginagano.
Yung kulay brown to eh.
Get my coffee.
Ano?
Babo ka na dyan, Bab!
I will get my coffee.
Lalamig ka na dyan ah.
Dyan. Hindi, yan. Iharap mo lang.
Kunin mo.
Tapos pag inumin mo, iharap mo ulit sa sarili mo.
Yan yung
Di ba? Parang interactive.
Tulit pa ba tayo nito guys?
So, how was your mother, ma'am?
Paano sa mo papapalit yung mamaya sa baba?
Mother, father. The dog, look at the dog. Dog friendly here.
Kasi yung nagpabara. Alam mo, gano'n lang bumalik din sa old.
Ito.
Kaya mo sa ilo. Balik ka mo muna.
Hindi na. Hey guys. Kumusta? What can you say?
Bing. Ay, mali ang aking. Bingi. Ay, I'm Bingi Rogel. Ay, I'm Bingi Rogel.
I'm Bini Rogel.
Bingi Joan. Bingi Job. And Bingi Ken. And we are Bingi Bears.
Puta na, bigay ang sapatos. Ang Meryl, magagasgasan.
Ang Meryl pagpababa hindi kaya.
We're going down. It's been a roller coaster ride.
Mahal ko kayo.
We're currently on what they call Camelback.
Yes.
This is our way down. And it's very,
Ganda sana kung ano,
very steep.
makikita talaga yung
Wait a minute.
Pwede mo ba tayo mabalik?
Wala. Wala nang tumog.
Iba na, pulag na.
Can you hold? My shoes is very slippery.
Can you hold? And you video me. You can do it?
Yes. I can manage. Currently. Oh no, the battery is low.
It's okay.
Can manage.
Okay, you go down.
Yes. I'm gonna go down now.
Picture here.
Kaya mo makit, Ken? Picture lang kita. Yan. Yokyat.
Ay,
I will take
paano ito pabain?
Check po kung magugustuhan niyo.
Tingnan ko pag nagustuhan. Tingnan natin. Bao nga eh. Oh. Amazing! Rogel, amazing!
Bumalik ka na dito.
Pinapakinla natin ang gula. Okay, kulang.
Hello guys! We did it!
Buwan ang shit na yan.
We're gonna go home. No, we're gonna eat.
Ang
So,
Kasi,
so how was it?
great experience.
kay kuya. Ayan
For
na,
me-
hindi na tinatanong.
And Eugenio.
Ayan yun.
For me, it's it's okay. My foot hurts.
Isa lang.
Yes, my left foot.
Ako may buko.
Very exciting, very furious,
Very cutesy and
very demure. My knee hurts. The morale is
The morale is moraling.
It's giving.
Ang masasabi ko lang ay okay naman pero hindi na ako ulit talaga. Doon lang sa patag.
Nasa gitna si Johan naiyak siya.
Pangdigo.
For over 9 difficulty na compare mo, Johan.
Basic. Basis lang, basis.
Nakakainis.
Yun na yun?
Kung hindi umuulan, hindi ko na. Iba ang pagod kapag pag maaraw eh.
Where to next, guys?
Mas nakakainit ng ulo.
Oo.
Hindi naman kasi tayo
Dahil kami,